Welcome to the Mailchimp tutorial series. In this video, I will show how to create a campaign in Mailchimp. To create a campaign, you have to go to dashboard, then select the campaigns, then all campaigns, then create campaign. By default, the new builder is selected, so you can click on the design email button. In the design email section, you have to add your contents. You can add your recipients from here. You can make segments of your recipients from here. Then you can click on the save button. In the from address section, the Gmail, the Outlook and other generic platforms are not suitable. It's not good for the better deliverability. To get a better deliverability, you have to use your company email address. Suppose we have our task@theemailtemplate.com. That's our company email address that you have to add and verify with Mailchimp. Then go for the subject line. You have to add the subject line and the preview text from here. Now the final part is the content. The content you have to add in a pre-built email template or any other custom email template that you added on Mailchimp. To add the content, click on the design email section. Here the options will come up to select the classic, that means the old builder that you are familiar with, and the new builder. New builder have less options than the classic builder. Classic builder have more options to select custom coded email template, previous themes from a previous campaign and many more. You can try the new builder as well if you like. I am selecting the classic builder for now. You can set the classic builder as the default builder from the setting that I will show later in this video. So I am going forward with a very simple version of the template, the simple text. Here is a drag and drop builder that you can use to make your template eye-catchy. There you have many options to add image card, image text, share buttons, custom code, promo code, product section, social media icons and many more. So I'm adding some text here. Okay, now click on the continue button. If you are on a paid plan, then you can schedule that campaign. I'm on a free plan, so it's forcing me to upgrade to activate this option. So I'm not updating it right now. Instead, we are ready to send the campaign out. To send the campaign, just click on the send button and click on the send now. The campaign is out. We have 3 recipients currently. Those who opened and click, we can track the records from the all campaigns. And then click on the view report. That's how you can track your open rates and other campaign details from here. That's it for today. In the next video, I will show how to make automated campaigns like customer journeys in Mailchimp. You can subscribe to my channel so that you can receive my exclusive email tips like this. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.